morning. I'm Doctor here. This is the healthy drink you can say or else herbal tea. Here I have taken 1 cup of beetroot mashed and 1 cup of moringa leaves or drumstick leaves mashed and also 1 cup of basil leaves finely mashed in the grinder paste. Make it as a paste in the grinder. And 1 cup of green tea leaves I have taken, 1 cup of fresh ginger. By removing the peel of the ginger, I have mashed and kept aside. All these need to be kept aside. And now I have taken 2 lemon and also 1 by 4th cup of honey and kept aside. Now we need to take a bowl and keep it on the stove. Take 2 cups of water and add the whole content can be mixed what all we grinded into a paste. We can add 2 spoons of this content. And you can add 3 cups of water at least, and that makes a big glass jar. So big glass it will be there if you add 3 cups of water. For 3 cups of hot water, boiling water, we can add the total grinded paste into 2 spoons. Here is one point, you can add green leaves also while grinding it into a paste. Green leaves can be added into the content while you are grinding into a paste. And you can add moringa, tulasi leaves, ginger, beetroot, and green tea leaves all at once, and you can grind it into a paste. And at the same time, once the water gets cooled, you can squeeze one part of the lemon and also 1 by 4th cup of honey or 2 spoons of honey. It is your choice. Here, each thing has got its own value. Moringa or the drumstick leaves are it's a great boon for humankind because a common man can get it with an affordable price or without a price also. This moringa is rich in calcium, magnesium, and potassium, and many other things. Coming to the point of calcium, it is it is very good for menopause lady who feel deficiency in calcium, and also calcium is good for growing children and everyone also. It is so rich in calcium in vegetarian things other than milk. Though the peep kids who hesitate to take milk regularly can be given this healthy drink. And here, any a form you can take moringa and magnesium rich food. It plays the top place because magnesium is a great thing that it can convert inactive T3 to active T4, thus stimulating the thyroid stimulating hormone. So it maintains hormonal level of thyroid. And also this moringa is as it is rich in magnesium, it is very good for electrical activity of the heart from sinoauricular node of the heart to AV node, that is electrical activity will pass from SA node, it is a pacemaker, to AV node, and from there through Purkinje fibers, the whole heart gets this electrical cardiac activity that is well maintained only through magnesium. That magnesium rich food you can take moringa as one part because and as it is rich in potassium also it regulates the heartbeat. Some people will have irregular heartbeat or more heartbeat is seen in trachycardia, it is called as, and less heartbeat than normal heartbeat, it is bradycardia. And irregular arrhythmias, these are different irregular heartbeat attitude, and this can be well maintained by the potassium if we take, that is well present in the moringa leaves. So it is very good for our heart health, and it is as it is rich in antioxidants, it is highly helpful to prevent the growth of cancer cells, and it is very good for detoxification of the liver. And the most important thing is that toxins are highly eliminated from our body through this moringa. Here, the free radicals are the pollutants or antiviral virus or anything. A free radical can come and damage the helpful cells in the body, like T cells, immunity cells. They can be damaged in our body, and destruction to DNA can be regularly done. This can be highly prevented by the moringa leaves as it is rich in antioxidant. Because of oxidative stress, we do lose our hair and beauty of the skin. For a beautiful lustrous skin, the thickness of the for a beautiful and lustrous hair and the thickness of the hair and the volume, that is thickness means volume of the hair, and the length of the hair can be highly grown by this intake. And also the people, we can prevent by the black spots on the skin, the acne, and also the wrinkles on the skin, and the loosening of the skin can be prevented by taking this drink, health drink. That is, skin remains very shiny and glowful and stiff. It is not loose or saggy. That is very important to understand. And third thing is the beetroot which we have taken. We need not explain because everybody is well known of this beetroot and its benefits. Beetroot, as it is rich in vitamin A, it is highly helpful to improve hemoglobin in the body. As if there is hemoglobin rich in the body, it is helpful to prevent anemia. Once there is no anemia, there is no question of breathlessness because oxygen will be well supplied in the whole body, and it is highly helpful for and uh, because as it is rich in nitrates, this beetroot, it will help to enlarge the blood vessels supplying to the heart, thus preventing the cardiac stroke. So this is very helpful to take in the morning time. Beetroot also, and tulasi, the herb, the medicinal herb. Since long years we know it is an ancient herb which is having so many medicinal properties for cough, cold, sore throat, and running nose. These winter it is highly beneficial, and tulasi also gives high immunity in the body, and these things are helpful to prevent DNA damage, thus improving immunity also. The ginger which we have taken is antiviral, antifungal, and also antibacterial properties it is rich with. The ginger will is rich with nitrates, it gets converted into nitrous oxide, thus helpful to enlarge the blood vessels supplying the heart and thus preventing blockage of the heart. And DNA damage is highly prevented by the ginger. If the DNA damage is prevented, the lifespan of the human will grow and the respiratory complaints will come down with ginger because as it is rich in anti-inflammatory properties, and it is very good for sore throat, cough, and cold also. To remove expectorant from the lungs, it is very helpful. And next thing is honey. Honey is a great blood purifier, and also it gives soothing sensation along with its antiviral properties. And vitamin C rich here, the lemon is highly helpful to absorb all the minerals present in the content which we prepared. And also, vitamin C is helpful to absorb calcium in the body. And it is antioxidant rich food, vitamin, this lemon juice, thus preventing certain diseases and infections also. Coming to the green tea part, green tea is highly rich in gallic acid. This gallic acid is very beneficial to reduce high blood pressure, thus keeping the heart safer. And high blood pressure is highly controlled by the green tea as it is rich in gallic acid, as it is rich in antioxidant. It keeps the body away from free radicals, that's thus preventing oxidative stress of the hair and thus preventing hair fall, hair damage, and also it keeps the skin very healthy and beautiful, thus helping for anti-aging. So this all combination of this content is very useful to keep us as a it we can treat it as a energy drink. There are no side effects. These are all natural herbs we can take. We can take a big glass in the morning and also big glass in the evening so that the constipation can be removed. As everything is rich in high fiber also, the constipation can be removed, the gut will be kept cleansed. If the gut is clean without gastric trouble or acidity, then only the vitamin B12 will be absorbed in the abdomen. And also, you need to understand one thing, if there is deficiency in vitamin B12 absorption, we suffer the symptoms like diabetes. So, we need to keep our gut very clean. Why I mean to say is make a habit of drinking this tea or herbal drink, healthy drink in the morning and evening.